Hello everyone, I am Emisha Ravani. Right now I am pursuing master degree from the MKBU Department of English, and as a part of our study we are going to deal with the film studies, and in that we have to do certain kind of activities like frame study or the very different elements of film. Whenever we watch the film, normally we watch for entertainment. But after I got introduced to the film study as an academic discipline, then I got that there are so many different aspects accepting entertaining. So, film studies in an academic discipline that deals with various theoretical, historical, and critical approaches to cinema as an art form and a medium, and it emerged in the 20th century after decades the invention of the motion pictures. So now I am going to deal with the two movies that is, one is The Sky is Pink by Shonali Walls, and the another one is a Great Gatsby, which is directed by Baz Luhrmann. And now I am going to study the frame I have selected for the film studies. So first I am going to deal with the movie that is Great Gatsby. And in this storyline, the male protagonist is Gatsby, and he is belong to the very poor family, or we can say the very countryside. And to get his love, he has become richer and richer to get the Daisy's love. And in that, the director Luhrmann has portrayed very nicely done with the framing and all those things like sounds, framings, and the things which can be studied. In this movie, they have portrayed very nicely the class distinctions and all those things which can be studied also. And the setting is like one area for rich people and another area for poor people, and between that there is a mention of Ashes of Valley. And the first slide or the upper image I have frame out, that is the very dusky side and countryside, and the director or the filmmaker has the very archetypal use of smoke or dusk they have used to portray that how the life of Ashes of Valley in that movie. And the another below picture is of working class, and how the richer people are looking at working class and what is the reality of working class, that is showing that. And the color, we can say the lighting and the color, they have put it the darker to portray the original or reality of poor class people. And we can say that director has used here the low key light, and for the high key light he has also used that for the very good scene in the beginning when Daisy has come out in the screen. Daisy and Jordan are both dressed in white at the start of the novel, and the open windows cause the white curtains to float in the air. Both the curtains and the women in white presents both innocence and superficiality of these characters who float through lacking depth of personality. And Nick Carraway describes Daisy as being high a white palace, calling her both king's daughter and he golden girl. In that era, director has very beautifully telling by the color of dressing of the women, and also we can say all kind of personality aspects of the beauty of the women. Somehow curtain has mentioned that to symbolize the freedom of Daisy and Jordan, but the action of the close the window, Tom has come and closed the window, and that is symbolizing that the women have their freedom at that time, but men have the dominant aspect of the women's life also. The another movie I have selected is The Sky is Pink by Shonali Walls, and that movie is based on a real story of Aisha Chaudhary, and the protagonist, the girl, has the disease called pulmonary fibrosis, and she has a very short life to live, and how the humanness are reacting towards that. The Shonali Bose has thrown the light on the only the aspect of family, that how family members are pursuing the patient, and how their emotions are going in flows. And it is basically goes with the idea that anyone's expectations cannot decide the life or purpose of our life. And that idea Shonali Bose has portrayed in the line with the balance of emotions and the picturization of a true story. In this frame, you can see upper frame is a very low key light, and below this image has very high key light. That is showing that in upper image we can say that there is something like a tension, and when the Aisha, their daughter, they are the parents, and their daughter is going to cure, and though she has died at 18, and how they are happy, and how the director has used the timing even. The upper frame has a night time, and the lower frame has a morning time. That we have that psyche that morning time is a positive time rather than a night time. From that same movie, I have taken another frame. That is the collage of frame actually, and there is the dialogue with that. So dialogue I can read, so we can interpret a lot more. Miss Dipti scolded me and made me stand in the corner. The child of this lady, the child is complaining about his teacher because I colored the sky is in art pink in arts class. So the mother is saying that you can paint the sky any color you want. Always follow your dreams. There is no need to change the color of your sky for anyone ever. If you believe your sky is pink, then it's pink. So we can say that how the camera angle is a very top when the boy is telling to her his mother that Dipti ma'am has scolded me, and how he is feeling, the character is feeling darkness. Because of the teacher has scolded him, and then how the reaction of his mother, that is very bright, and that camera angle is very parallel, and also that there is the high key of lighting, that how the dialogues are going with the lighting, that we can say. So thank you for watching.